Hi, I'm Pat with River's Edge Chev, and we are having our continuation of Pievember. This is the 5th of Pievember, so we're making a chocolate tart.
6th of Pievember.
Oh, the 6th. I'm sorry, it's the 6th of Pievember. Oh, okay. Anyway, I don't know what day it is anymore. So anyway, we have our chocolate, our rich, sweet chocolate pastry, which is from our first Pievember. So if you want to look back on our videos for that, you can find this recipe. And I have blind baked it all the way. You can see that I've docked it really well, and then I filled the pie tin with pie weights, with parchment paper and pie weights, and then baked it for approximately 25 minutes. You just want to keep an eye on it, and then at the 20-minute mark you'll want to take the pie weights out and then put it back in the oven without the pie weights for another 5 minutes to finish drying off the bottom of the crust. Anyway, so this is our chocolate pudding, and we have done this video and it will be linked at the end. So, but for this chocolate pudding to make it into a nice rich tart, it calls for 2 cups of whole milk. With this tart, what you're going to do is do either half and half, 2 cups of half and half, or else 1.5 cups of whole milk with half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And at the very end, before you add the vanilla, you will add half a cup of dark chocolate chips or chopped chocolate. So anyway, it's really a beautiful, beautiful chocolate recipe. So I'm going to add this to the tart crust, and this is going to be too warm to add whipping cream to it tonight, but it is really lovely with either whipping cream or else a really nice vanilla ice cream. It'd be good with chocolate ice cream too, but I think that vanilla and then whipping cream would be really, really great. But this is a lovely tart. It's really satisfying for people who really like chocolate because it is super chocolatey. It's chocolate on steroids. So anyway, it's lovely and glossy. Just spread it out. This is really, really pretty, and the flavor is really wonderful. Anyway, there we go. It's a beautiful, rich chocolate tart with a rich pastry crust. So it's the 6th of Pievember. Check back in tomorrow and we're going to make something else pie related. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.